One sunny day, Moana stood on the beach of her island Motunui, but something was very wrong. The soft, warm sand was covered in ice, the ocean's waves were frozen like glass. This isn't normal, Moana said, holding her oar. She looked at the ocean. What's happening? The ocean sent a wave to lift her boat. It carried her far, far away to a land called Arendelle, where a queen named Elsa had magical ice powers. Maybe Elsa could help. When Moana arrived, Elsa was in her castle, making snowflakes. Elsa smiled when she saw Moana but stopped when she saw the worried look on her face. "Moana, why are you here?" Elsa asked. "My island is freezing, and it's not supposed to," Moana explained. "The ocean says something is wrong. I think your ice powers and the ocean are fighting." Elsa looked worried. "If my ice is reaching your island, then something must be out of balance. Let's figure this out together." They began their journey to a big, icy land far away. Elsa used her powers to clear snow and make a safe path, while Moana followed, keeping her heart brave and strong. Soon, they found a giant glacier, an enormous wall of ice. "This glacier feels strange," Elsa said. She touched it, and suddenly, the ice cracked open. Inside was a swirling storm of ice and water. The ocean and Elsa's magic were crashing into each other. Moana gasped. "This is the problem. The ice and ocean need to work together, not fight." But before they could fix it, a huge creature appeared. It was made of ice and water, and it was very angry. The creature roared and threw sharp ice at them. Elsa raised her hand, building a shield of ice to protect Moana. "We have to calm it down." Moana said, "It's not bad, it's just upset." Elsa nodded. "I'll stop the ice from hurting anyone. Can you calm the water?" Moana smiled. "I'll try." Elsa used her magic to freeze the sharp ice parts of the creature, making them smooth and soft. Moana called to the ocean, asking it to move gently and sing a soft song. She used her oar to guide the water like a dance. Slowly, the creature stopped roaring. It began to glow, its icy and watery parts blending into one peaceful form. Finally, it disappeared back into the glacier, leaving behind a sparkling ice crystal. Elsa picked up the crystal. "This is a gift. It means the ocean and ice are in balance again." Moana felt the warmth of the ocean returning to her heart. "My island will be safe now." The two smiled at each other. They had worked together and saved their worlds. Elsa put her hand on Moana's shoulder. "If you ever need me, I'll come," Elsa said. Moana laughed. "And if you need me, just call the ocean." They waved goodbye, each going home, happy and proud. They knew they were friends forever, no matter how far apart they lived.